first function integration of second function minus integral derivative of first function integration of second function dx, that is equal to integral e power x sin x dx plus e power x cos x minus of minus plus integral e power x sin x dx. Now, we will solve a function of the form integration e power x sin x plus cos x dx. So, this function can be written as integral e power x sin x dx plus integral e power x cos x dx. Let us apply u into v for this function, that is equal to first function integration of second function minus integral derivative of first function integration of second function dx. This function can be written as integral sin x into e power x dx, and the second function I am writing as it is. Here I have to apply Eilert, and also please check whether Eilert formula is followed or not generally. That is equal to sin x first function integration of second function is integration of e power x minus integral derivative of first function sin x function is cos x, derivative of sin x is cos x, integration of e power x is e power x dx, and this function we will write as it is plus integration e power x cos x dx. Just observe integration e power x cos x dx plus integration e power x cos x dx, these two are same, these two will cancel. Therefore, this is equal to e power x sin x plus c will be the solution for this. In general, I have given some 3 star formulas. I would like to add one more, that is star 4, that is if the function is of the form, if the integrand is of the form integration e power x sin f x plus f dash x dx, then the integration of this type of function will be e power x and f x plus c. So, if the integrand is of the form integration e power x into f x plus f dash x dx, then the answer for this question will be e power x f x, just we have seen how it is. So, in 1 marks if it is given, directly you can write it as e power x f x plus c. Now, using this formula, let us see what is the integration of this function. This is in the form of integration e power x 1 by x minus 1 by x square dx. Now, see the function, what is the function and whether derivative exists or not. What is the derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square? So, therefore, this is in the form of e power x into f x plus f dash x dx. So, what may be the direct answer for this question is e power x 1 by x plus c will be the answer, because e power x f x plus f dash x dx. Therefore, the answer will be e power x into 1 by x plus c. Similarly, we have one more integration e power x log x plus 1 by x. You have to see what is the function and what is the derivative. So, log x derivative is 1 by x. Therefore, the answer for this question will be e power x log x plus c mod of x. So, this is the solution for the question. If 1 mark it is given, you can directly write the answer and you can mention the formula also used. One very important question, the integrand is of the form e power x sin bx dx. In some functions, the repetitions of integrations will take place. Therefore, we take integration I is equal to integral, here we will follow Eilert rule, is sin bx into e power ax dx. That is, this is the first function, this is the second function. The formula, we call the formula of u into v, first function into integration of second function, that is e power ax by a minus integral derivative of first function, derivative of sin bx is cos bx whole divided by b, into b, integration of e power ax is e power ax by a dx. Once again see, first function integration of second function minus integral derivative of first function. When you have derivative, it will become into b. When it is the integration of e power x, you get e power x by a dx. Now, if you simplify, that is equal to e power ax sin bx whole divided by a minus b by a integral cos bx e power ax dx. That means again the function is in the form of u into v. We will continue e power ax sin bx whole divided by a minus b by a, again first function integration of second function minus integral derivative of first function cos bx derivative minus sin bx into b into integration of second function is e power ax by a dx. Is this. Now, if you simplify e power ax sin bx whole divided by a minus b by a square, because a into a square, e power ax cos bx, this is one term, minus b by a, minus of 3 minus are there, therefore, minus b square by a square, once again here minus minus minus. So, you will get minus b into b, b square, a into a square, therefore, minus b square by a square, you will get integral sin bx into e power ax dx. What is this integral sin bx e power ax dx? Is nothing but I. So, this is nothing but I. If I take I as common, this is also I is equal to, if I take I as common, 1 plus b square by a square is equal to e power ax sin bx whole divided by a minus b by a square e power ax cos bx. Therefore, I is equal to, that means integral of the function I is equal to a square by, just I am simplifying here, a square by b square, take a square as LCM, a square, this term can be written as, and also e power x as common, a sin bx minus b cos bx, just check. This term if you transfer here, you will get a square by a square plus b square. Here I have taken e power x as common, the remaining will be, since a square is the LCM, here you will get a sin bx minus e power x as common, sorry, e power x, and this is b cos bx. So, here a square will cancel, the final integral is equal to, answer will be 1 by a square plus b square into e power ax into a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. So, this will be the solution for the integration e power x into sin bx dx. The same way the question can be like this, integral e power x cos bx dx also. Not only this, in the competitive examinations, if the question is given e power 2x, example, sin 3x dx, if the question is like this, using this also you can write the answer, you can remember this as a formula also in the competitive examination. Tell me what is the answer for this question, integral e power x sin 3x dx, that is 1 by a square plus b square is 2 square plus 3 square e power 2x a sin bx 2 sin 3x minus b cos bx means 3 cos 3x plus c. This will be the solution for this question. If it is given for 6 marks or 4 marks, you have to prove like this. If it is given for 1 mark in competitive examination, you can remember this as a formula. If the function is e power x sin bx, similarly e power x cos bx can also be given. In that case, this term will be changing. This is the formula for e power x sin bx. So, using this directly I can write the solution of this question.